I'll show you how to allow WhatsApp access to your camera and photos, media, and files. First, open WhatsApp TriCapture Camera. It shows this, so this is solution. First, go to the settings on your phone. Tap on Apps or App Manager, that depending on your device. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of apps. Tap Permissions. Ensure that storage or media permissions are enabled. You can also turn on all permissions for WhatsApp to avoid other permission-related issues. And that's it. Your issue should be resolved, and you can now capture photos and videos without any problems. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.